This is Skip Jeffries, coming to you from my bathroom here. This week project, I guess we're gonna play a plumber, try to fix this Delta kit or Delta bathtub faucet here on the jet tub. We priced out new ones, and it looked like it would be about 144 bucks. Quick and easy repair, I guess, is just replacing these things here. When I was gone, yeah, like it always happens whenever you leave town, and there's always something that pops up. Well, the tub here started or sprung a leak, and you can see from here it's dripping out of mainly this handle here. So these things have got a little recessed nut in them, like a hex head that you just kind of have to twist off and lift it up. And as you can see here, we've got quite a bit of corrosion. This one here I kind of cleaned up, so we'll run you through that process. It is what it is here. Try to keep your parts where you need them. But we're going to go ahead and give this a go here. Let's see if we can actually drain this to make sure there's no water in the line. So when I pop this thing up, yeah, it should be empty. Well, that thing just likes to stick on there. Go ahead and give this one a go here. Alrighty. And I guess just kind of make a mental note how things go. Like I said, hopefully we'll fix this, or we'll end up calling a plumber to do the fixing. Try to do this attempt at home, I guess, and give it a go. That went a little easier than what I thought it was gonna. Bless me. Guess there was a little bit of water built up in there. Let's grab a rag. Was not expecting that. Okay, so there's a little notch. Go. A lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. Looking at that thing, there it is. Yeah, I don't know why that one was leaking. Go ahead and get that new one on there and call it good. Once the new one's on, we'll go ahead and turn on the water and see if that jacks anything up. this off. Looks like everything's holding. Let's see if we can turn these bad boys on. Looks like that fixed it. Looks like it's got its own natural stop. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll work. I'm not seeing any leaks. Like I said, the leak that we had before, it was coming out of the top of this right one over here. And I guess it would just, must have been the rubber seal or something in this thing just kind of failed over time. I mean, this tub's over 20 years old, so I've never replaced it. We've been in here for 10 years. Kind of looks like it's original. Yeah, we'll go ahead and kind of clean this up and finish this repair here. We call it fixed. But yeah, I found out taking these things off was easier to take the dang little handle end off. That way give you a little more room to spin your little dials down. Easiest thing to get in there. Oh. I'd say easy peasy, but a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So this one might prove to be not too bad. We'll go ahead and get that nut in there. I was going to clean it up too, but I think we'll be all right. Get that little hex head started. We'll just slap that bad boy on there and tighten it down. Let's go over there, just odd angle. Probably should have started with this one. what's in there. Yeah, we'll just tighten this side down and get the color done. Righty tighty maybe? Who knows? I'll see. And it seems to be dry, folks. We'll call that too. Alright, folks, we're in the garage here. We're just going to clean up this bathtub fitting here. As you can see, it's pretty crusty. But go ahead, just use the Dremel on it. And hopefully this isn't too loud, but we'll clean it up before we put it back on there. I've got two little heads that I normally use, and they're both like a copper braided type drill fitting here for the Dremel. So, and it shouldn't damage the faucet at all. Just clean it up, get some of that corrosion out of there. So this first one here, we'll go ahead and get the inside, make it a little bit easier to get on and off. Got the safety glasses on because it does kick up quite a bit of dust. But all we're doing is cleaning up the hole here. We'll try to get this outside. Like I said, this faucet is relatively in good shape for being over 20 years old. Go ahead and switch over to this other one here. It's more of a flat type bit, and I'll get in there and kind of clean things up that we need to get cleaned up here. I mean, we're not Craigslist, I guess we are kind of Craigslist redo on it, but just something to clean it up a little bit, make it last a little bit longer. There you go. As you can see, it kind of cleared it up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.